Moving on with our lecture on complex crimes, what we see when it comes to fraud under Florida criminal law is that we're not dealing with theft. It's not as simple as theft. We're getting into complex, organized schemes to defraud. We're also opening up the door or paving the way for the next section that we're going to talk about, which is white-collar crime. These crimes are sophisticated, and they're carried out by sophisticated individuals, people of power. White-collar crimes are a variety of non-violent acts that are committed in business-like settings completely for financial gain. The term white collar refers to the social class, white collar as opposed to blue collar laborers, and that goes to the type of individual that we see committing these crimes. White collar crime defendants can be anyone from a high-ranking office worker, business managers, fund managers, executives, CEOs. The main rule of thumb that you want to remember is that the perpetrator is somebody who is trusted, who has earned the trust of important people, wealthy people, people in a position of power. Now, how white-collar criminals get caught with their scheme to defraud is usually the result of something happening, whether it be in the economy or something out of the ordinary happening, somebody catching on to the scheme and not really being sure what they're seeing, but having the foresight to blow the whistle. And that's when the forensic accountants are brought in, auditors and professionals whose sole purpose is to uncover these very complex acts of fraud that we call white-collar crime. Types of entities that investigate white-collar crimes, well, you're talking about the Federal Bureau of Investigation, Securities and Exchange Commission, the National Association of Securities Dealers. But, it's always going to be federal when you're dealing with these serious and significant white-collar crimes.